Welcome back to another week of Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do an easy wave braid ponytail. So let's get started.
I went ahead and put her hair into a high ponytail. I also hid her hair tie with her hair using a topsy tail. I also used wax blast on her ponytail to give it some grip and to tame those flyaways. Anything I used in this tutorial, I'll leave a link in the description box below. First thing you want to do is to create 2 braids. Pick up a section right here on top of this ponytail. Okay, so you're going to split this into 2. Make sure that they're even. And you're going to create 2 braids. All you're going to do is just braid it all the way down. You're going to do the same thing here over there. Now you can use a topsy tail to do this. I'll show you with my fingers first if you don't have a topsy tail. So the first stitch right here and right here, you're going to take that and just spread it, widen it out, and then do the same thing for this one here. Widen that out. Put your 2 fingers right through it. And now you're going to grab a small section on the left side and you're going to take that in between these 2 fingers and you're just going to pull right through. Okay? Now you're going to do the same thing. You're going to go in this one and this one. So put your fingers, split those, split that and put your fingers right through. Split the second braid. Now put your fingers right through. And then grab a small section on the left side again. But you want to do the same amount that you just pulled for the first one. Go ahead and pull through. And then you're going to do one more. Find that small section here, that split, pull it apart, put your 2 fingers in there. Grab another section from the left side. And pull it right through with your fingers. That's how you can do it without a topsy tail. After you do your 3, you want to go ahead and take this side right here, open it up, and then open up this one here. Not this one, but this one. You're going to skip this and you want to go to the next stitch right here. Okay, put your fingers through. Right here. Now you're going to grab this first one here, not up here, but this one here, this one. Put it right between your fingers and pull right through. Okay, you're going to do the same thing 2 more times. You're going to open this up, and then you're going to open up this part right here, the next one. Put your fingers right through. Now you're going to grab the next strand. Pull right through. And you're going to do it one more time. Go ahead and find this next stitch. Open it up. Then find this next one. And you want to open it up. It's a lot easier with a topsy tail if you have one. Okay, and grab this last strand with your 2 fingers and pull right through. And that's how you do it without a topsy tail. After you pull right through, you're just going to go ahead and pull these out and shape them. You're going to shape each one of these. Just go ahead and tweak it the way you like it, and then you can go on to the next one. I'm going to spray a little bit more. And I'm gonna use a top's tail this time. I'm gonna spread this out a little bit. So all you're going to do is repeat the steps that you just did up on top. I'm gonna go on the outside part here, skip that stitch, and go to the next one. So go ahead and bring that right through. This one right here. Okay, now you're just gonna grab the first one that's here. This one, put it through the topsy tail, and then you're just gonna pull right through. Just like that. It's all going to be repeated. The topsy tail is a lot easier than putting your fingers through. One more. And then just fix it and spread out the braid too. Okay, and then you're just going to continue all the way down. I'm going to go a little faster for time purposes only.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like, singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like. Where's the fun in doing what you're told? But I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. So call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like, party like, freaking out.
Then I'm going to take these, the last of the strands, I'm going to tie them all together with an elastic band. Okay, I'm going to go back over here and just adjust it before I let these go.
So baby, come and take my hand tonight, and know that everything will be alright. When we dance and we fall and we don't care at all. Now we just sing the la la.
A little hairspray, and there you have it. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now, if there's a style that you'd like us to recreate, please let us know in the comments below.
We love feedback, so let us know about your success and find our videos of parts you might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button.
Help support our channel by clicking the links in the descriptions. Now, this helps us to create more videos for you.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
And click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
To watch more of us, click on over there. Love you guys. Till next time.
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys. God bless and have a great week.